creating some distance from the traditional digital forms of money. UNISWAP works on a decentralized P2P trade robotized market producer (AM) to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the UNISWAP cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the interesting elements of UNISWAP. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two savvy agreements to procure interest, UNISWAP has an extraordinary component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers, LPs. This component of UNISWAP goes about as a significant impetus and totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, taking out the mediators or consent totally. Consequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the computerized resources are connected as matches. Thus the liquidity gets represented for these parts appropriately. As a decentralized convention for computerized liquidity arrangement on ETH, UNISWAP overwhelmed the whole crypto space when during pandemic UNISWAP chose to send off this token UNI on September 17, 2020. This was wizardry for that large number of holding UNISWAP as they turned tycoons on September 17, 2020. While surprising the crypto world, a flood of Stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to definite UNISWAP cost expectation. UNISWAP. Understanding technicalities. The vision of UNI stands tall and firm. Leaving impressions on the innovative and practical eco-space, UNI sustains trust alongside accommodation, making the existences of the UNISWAP clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the UNISWAP UNI cost impartially, viz. The connection among organic market is the deep-rooted peculiarity of incongruous connection works for UNI token. Brokers come to showcase with goals that the UNISWAP digital money market they hold will guarantee incredible returns. Notwithstanding, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting procedures or any elective momentum speculation choice. In the event that the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be smart for UNI tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for a tremendous scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the inventory might descend. UNISWAP change in cost occurring over these midpoints will areas of strength for show. Right now, the cost of $40 as shown by UNISWAP is moderate however deft and can shoot to better levels. According to UNISWAP unit cost expectations, this is the most suitable chance to book benefit in the UNISWAP by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing broker. To comprehend the value variances of UNI better, it would be great to dig further into the past account of UNISWAP. UNISWAP price prediction. 2022 to 2026. The main help factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of segregation with regards to monetary forms. The majority of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar lamentable destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet securing the conflict of the excess titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into UNISWAP UNI. Despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently, many market tutors construe the bull run could be far off. While the others banter totally in an unexpected way. The cost graph is referenced here alongside the UNISWAP expectation. The ongoing cost of UNI is above $10. With the computerized resource UNI token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is without a doubt a hopefulness in crypto space, winning in the far-off skyline, in view of UNISWAP cost conjecture. The ongoing ETH and new ETH will have enormous distinction. UNISWAP price prediction 2022. Having begun late in last year, the UNISWAP value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022, will keep riding news waves proceeding into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of United States dollar should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a quick sharp revision toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the main year, as indicated by UNI Cost Forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and greatest cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.5. UNISWAP price prediction 2023. Fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17, as per UNISWAP cost expectation 2023, the cost of UNISWAP might show some opposition, however it can't be said with sureness about the positive difference in cost of UNI concerning whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this digital currency unit. There could be a few tremendous changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, monetary overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. UNI, nonetheless, is known to be versatile and steady. Both worldwide financial aspects may too significantly affect UNISWAP cost development. As indicated by UNISWAP forecast, the base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.2. The typical cost would be $15. UNISWAP price prediction 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per UNI cost expectation, that value remedy may likewise be successful around this period, taking the UNISWAP unit cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market creator. In the main, a portion of the cost would reach up to $18.5. Locale explicit changes also influence the cost of UNISWAP. Consequently, coming towards its advanced objectives, one thing that can be ensured about the UNI token is that the stars are splendid for this resource. Having changed the whole worldwide page of exchanges, UNI token sets out on the journey of leaving a noteworthy impression on this biological system. UNISWAP price prediction 2025. According to UNISWAP price prediction and our own exploration, a few hypotheses around the cost of UNISWAP in 2023 likewise features that UNI would ride the positively trending market by 2025. UNI could try and arrive at another high of $22. UNISWAP appears now to competition to set a record, certifying its position showing steadiness. As per UNISWAP expectation, in the primary half, it would go up to $16 and the most extreme cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. UNISWAP price prediction 2026. As indicated by UNI cost expectation, as this year is gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of UNISWAP to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt.